Ayo, homie, you got a cough on it.
Ayo, cough on a cop, cough on a soldier, cough on anybody 65 and older, cough on anybody calling you a dude, cough on the kid delivering your food, cough on a doctor, cough on a nurse, hug an old lady and cough in a purse, cough on a dead president and lonely, cough on the current president's opponent, cough on the governor, cough on the mayor, cough on Mick Fleetwood, cough on Leo Sayer, and whoever wrote the song The Night Chicago Died, and whoever wrote the theme song of Rawhide. Cough on neoliberals up in the Nova, pedal to a metal, they screwed Bernie over. Not that I care, I'm out on a run, and if coughing don't work, get a submachine gun.
Cough on it. You gotta 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 cough on it. Yo, homie, you gotta cough on it.
Cough with vigor, cough with no mercy, cough on the clowns, cough on the clergy, from the priest to the cardinal to the bishop to the pope, and it'll really be dope if you cough on the soap. Cough on bunny rabbits, cough on a puppy, cough on a dolphin, cough on a guppy, and all the other fishes in the deep blue sea. But I'ma bust that ass if you cough on me. Cough on Eddie Murphy, cough on Eddie Rabbit, cough on Dick Cheney, cough on Dick Cavett, cough on the people is it up and leaving, or cough on Jay Leno where we call it even. Cough on the speaker, cough on Bill Maher, cough on the wannabe gangsters in the bar, cough while you're chasing them back to the car, cough on Corona but not my PBR.
Cough on it. You gotta 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 cough on it. Yo, homie, you gotta cough on it.
Yeah, this is gonna be my disclaimer. Don't cough on anybody or anything. Whether there's a life-threatening pandemic going on or not, just don't cough on anybody or anything. This was only a song, okay? Thank you.